There are many sources of power, from non-renewable sources like coal and oil to renewable sources like wind, solar, and hydro energy. All these sources of energy have served us well, but unfortunately, they all have their downsides. For example, fossil fuels are having disastrous effects on Earth like global warming and air pollution. Wind turbines aren't practical in all areas, as all areas don't have wind currents required to produce wind power. Even then, in areas where wind is present, it isn't present all the time. The same applies to solar panels, where the sun isn't available in all places all the time. Then there's nuclear fission power, which produces huge amounts of energy, but at the cost of radiation, nuclear waste, and potentially huge nuclear disasters like Fukushima and Chernobyl. Nuclear fission reactors are also hard to shut down in case of emergency, as once a fission reaction starts, it is extremely hard to shut down. So, is there a power source that uses a very common and widespread resource to produce power? Is there a power source that's practical everywhere? Is there a power source that produces huge amounts of energy but virtually no pollution, radiation, or any other type of waste? The short answer is yes. That power source is the nuclear fusion reactor, or simply the nuclear fuser. The nuclear fuser is an amazing source of power. It requires nothing more than seawater to run. It produces no radiation, no pollution, and no nuclear wastes. It can also be shut down by the flick of a switch, unlike a fission reactor. So, why haven't we implemented nuclear fusion reactors? Well, the simple answer is they haven't become efficient enough for practical use. If you saw our video on how the fuser works, you will have learned that the fuser requires power to function. At this current moment in time, the amount of power required to cause a fusion reaction is greater than the amount of power a fuser can output. However, this is fast changing. New breakthroughs by renowned firms like Lockheed Martin mean that we could see a prototype fusion reactor by late 2016 and a fully functioning reactor by 2020. Let's not put our backs behind redundant technologies that try to recycle energy. Let's not put our backs behind technologies that look cool but have no benefit for this world. Let's not put our backs behind technology that can harm the world. Let's change the world for the better. Show you care about this world. Vote for the future, a clean future, a safe future. Vote for this project.